Okay, a very good morning children. Welcome to online session of subject English of 7th class. Hope you all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So, in the previous class we have discussed about the A reading part of unit 3. Unit 3. So, what is that A reading part is going on? Means, so in that unit 3 A reading, so we have discussed about one of the great warrior, about a great warrior. So who is that great warrior? So the great warrior is the Puru. Okay, is it right, children? So if you see in that lesson, in that A reading, so you have observed that in the lesson what is happening? So the Puru, the great warrior Puru was what happened? So he was arrested by the Alexander, and he was brought to the Alexander's kingdom. Okay, so even though he was arrested, he was giving a great respect by others. Okay, he was given a great respect by others. That means everyone in the Alexander's kingdom was giving a great respect to the Puru. Why? Even though the Puru was one of the enemy for the Alexander, the Alexander and his team was giving a great respect to the Puru. Why? Means the brave warrior. So as he was a brave warrior, even though he was dying in the last moment also, he fought for his land. He fought for his land. Is it right, children? So that is what he has done in the poem. Is it right, children? So in that lesson, so after completing the war, he was brought to the what happened to the kingdom, and he was given some sort of what we will say, some sort of offers by the Alexander. So for that offers, this Puru was accepted with some conditions. What are those conditions? We have we have learnt in that previous class. Okay, so instead of Puru, so if you see, so why Puru was arrested means Puru was brought to the Alexander's kingdom means there happened one of the great war in between the Alexander team and the Puru's team, Puru soldiers and Alexander soldiers. Both of them had a very great war, Is it right, children? So here what is happening means, so whenever a war was happen, okay, yuddham, so any war was happen, so at that time what will be happening? So after completing the full war, so what will be happening? So generally some thousands of soldiers will be dying. Is it right, children? And some lakhs of soldiers will get injured. Is it right, children? So same like that only here. Here also in that soldiers who has died, in the thousands of soldiers who has died in the war. So that dying is we will call that situation as a consequence of the war. So consequence means the final result of that war. Okay, so generally what will happen? So if any war is happen, so one team will win and another team will lost their war. Okay, so along with that consequence, along with that situation, so what will be the another result? Another result will be that so many some thousands and some lakhs of soldiers will be get died. So that is a consequence. Consequence means the next the consequence means the final result, we will say. So after completing the war, what is the situation that we will call as a consequence. Okay, so that is the thing. So here in that soldiers, in the thousands of soldiers who has died in the war. So if we talk about a great warrior, if we talk about a great soldier, okay, so after his death, Okay, suppose he is the one. So the person who has died in the soldier who has died in that war, he is the one who used to who used to uh, make his householdings very very much. Okay, so who is taking care about his householding. So if that person only died means what will be happening to his family. So that means in his house there will be his wife and his daughters or his child baby will be there. Okay, the baby was newly born. If the baby was newly born, and the wife and husband. So if and in that the husband is the one who is taking care about the facilities to offer them, to provide them. So if that person only died means what will be the situation of what will be the consequence of a mother of that wife and of that baby. So that will be discussed in this poem, children. So that poem we will call as a home they brought her warrior dead. Home they brought her warrior dead. Okay, I think so you are understanding. So what is the concept of a home they brought her warrior dead. Okay, so generally the sentence will be like this. So they brought home her dead warrior. Okay, they brought home her dead warrior, they will be calling. So they brought home her dead warrior, we will say. Okay, so here what is happening in the why the heading was there like this, home they brought her warrior dead. Okay, why it was not there in the simple sentence. So they brought home her dead warrior. So that is a general sentence, that is a general structure of a sentence. They brought her home they brought home her dead warrior. So generally first what will be coming. So in the sentences first of all the adjective will come, then afterwards at last noun will come. So first adjective, then afterwards noun will come. So here in the heading of home they brought her warrior dead, please underline warrior. Pause the video and underline warrior. Okay, so after underlining warrior, you please write down for warrior that is adjective. ADJECTIVE, adjective. Please pause the video and write down. So that is adjective. And next dead. So dead also you underline, children. So dead is a not adjective. Please rub that adjective, children. Okay, so here warrior is a noun. Warrior is a noun. NOUN, noun. Okay, next after that next underline dead. So what is dead means? Dead is a adjective. ADJECTIVE, adjective. So here warrior dead is given. So here what is happening? So why they return? So like this, adjective plus noun plus adjective means this is one of the poetic order. So in the poems generally this type of things will be changed. Okay. So generally in the sentences how it will be. So noun adjective plus noun will be. Okay, at last object means noun will be there. Okay, noun or pronoun. But here warrior dead is a. So first noun is coming, then afterwards adjective is coming, because this is a poetic order. You write down there poetic order. Okay, so here if a soldier was brought to home, if a great warrior was brought to home, so what will be happening? So what is the situation at that place? So in front of that warrior's home. So how the situation will be there, that was discussed by this poem. Okay, so generally whenever any husband was died like that means so no wife will tolerate that one. Okay, because she wants to she will look after about she wants to look after about her child. Is it right, children? Okay, for her baby. Okay, so like that only here, if that person only died means what will happen? Okay, so how much hard situations, how much typical situations will be there? So that one she will face. And the neighbors, so the neighbor, that means the family members who are there beside her house, they will also understand. Okay, so they will also understand how she should survive in the future days. Okay, that one we here the poet was discussing. So here, see children, in the first line, home they brought her warrior dead. Okay, they brought home that the dead warrior itself. So after bringing that person, so what happened? She nor swooned nor uttered a cry. So at the time she went into some unconscious mind. She went into some unconscious mind. So what is that unconscious means? She was not at all crying, and she was not at all moving. So there was no movement in her. Okay, so if that situation was like that for that wife, so she may die. Is it right, children? So she may die. And here, see children, all her maidens watching said she must weep or she will die. Okay, she must weep, she should weep means weep. Weep means to cry. Okay, that is the meaning of weep. Okay, she should cry itself, or else what will be the consequence? So she will die. Okay, if she will also die means who will take care about that baby? So that is what the neighbors, every neighbor is trying to make her cry. Is it right, children? So this type of situation you might be seeing in so many places. Is it right, children? If any if any husband, if any person, if any male husband has died in any consequence, so at the time the wife, she will go into some unconscious mind, or else she will fall down. Like in Telugu, if I want to say, spruha tappinattu padipovam ala avutadi. Okay, so that will be the consequence, and that will be it's a dangerous position. Okay, so for that persons. Okay, so like that the neighbors are trying to make her cry, and what they are saying, or she will die. Okay, if she was not crying means she will die. Okay, like that they are thinking. Okay, next, then they praised him soft and low, called him worthy to be loved, truest friend and noblest foe. Yet she neither spoke nor moved. Okay, so after realizing everything with this, so the neighbors, so what type of a plan they had brought means they thought to praise. They started to praise means goppal chappadam. Okay, in Telugu we will say as a goppal chappadam. Okay, so if that person was in live means so he used to help each and every person very smoothly, and he will understand every person very friendly, in a friendly manner. Like that the neighbors are saying, they are praising him. Okay, then they praised him soft and low. Some people are praising soft, that means somewhat loud. Okay, and some people are praising somewhat low. Okay, in Telugu, so in Telugu we will say as a gusagusalo, so murmuring. So that type of situations they are creating. So why they are creating like this means as the wife should cry, the mother should cry. Okay, is it right, children? So the wife should cry. Okay, as you are seeing in the picture. Okay, so she compulsory she should cry. If she was not crying means she may die. Okay, and still how they are praising means a truest friend and noblest foe. Truest friend and noblest foe. Okay, yet she neither spoke nor moved. Yet she neither spoke nor moved. Okay. Even though the neighbors are praising, and they are giving so many positive comments on that soldier also, this wife, she was not at all speaking, or else not at all moving. Okay, so she still like a stone she was sitting. Okay, on some place. Okay, and she went into some unconscious mind. Okay, so body, that means body present, mind absent. So her mind was absent. Okay, so like that it was there. Okay, next. So next, see the next paragraph, children. Stole a maiden from her place, lightly to the warrior stepped. Okay, okay. So like that, if you see the next para, means stole a maiden from her place, lightly to the warrior stepped. Okay, lightly to the warrior step. So there was one of the maiden. Okay, so one of the neighbor, beside neighbor is a, so her name is Stole. Her name is Stole. Stole. Stole is a name of a maiden. Okay, she from her place. Okay, stole a maiden from her place. So Stole is a name of a maiden. Okay, one of the beside neighbor. Okay, she from her place lightly to the warrior stepped. Lightly to the warrior. So slowly she went to the warrior. Okay, to the warrior dead body. Okay, so like that she stepped. Okay, she moved. Okay, she moved to the warrior very slowly. So after going to that warrior, so what happened? So took the face cloth from the face. Took the face cloth. Oh, so before the time, his total face was covered. His total body was covered with a white cloth. Okay, so generally if any person was died, so you will be seeing they will be covered with a white cloth totally. So at the time, one of the maiden, she went to the warrior and she removed the face cloth. Only up to the face she removed. So why she removed means so actually the dead body was totally covered with a white cloth. So if she looked to his face also, if she looks to the face, then she might be crying. She might be started crying. Okay, she might start crying, like that she was saying, like that they thought, like that the relatives thought. Okay, but yet she neither moved nor wept. So at that time also she was not at all moving. She was not at all moving, or else not at all crying. Okay, so first of all, she was not coming out of the unconscious mind. Okay, so I think so you are understanding my point. Okay, so this is what the third para is saying. Okay, next, Rose, a nurse of 90 years. Rose, a nurse of 90 years. So Rose is a name of one of the old women, children. One of the old experienced woman. So this type of experienced woman. Experience means some aged woman, some old aged woman. Okay, so they know how to make others cry. How to make others cry when their husband was died. Okay, they know. So one of the nurse, her name is Rose. Her name is Rose. So she came to of 90 years. So she was 90 years itself. So 90 years means some old, very old age. Okay, so in Telugu if we say means pandu musali antar. Okay, so that type of woman. Okay, so set his child upon her knee. Okay, so in her house, there was a child. So there was child of her, their baby was there. Okay, the warrior's daughter was there. The warrior's child was there. So warrior's baby was there. So at the time, that old woman, she brought that baby, she brought that child, and she kept that baby on the knees of the this wife, on the knees of this lady, on the knees of this lady. Okay, so as soon as the old woman kept her child on her knees, so at the time, due to the sensation of her child feelings, so she suddenly came to the conscious mind. So she suddenly came here. So she suddenly came to the situation. So she came out of the unconscious mind, and she was present with the mind also now. Okay, so at the time, as she was seeing as she saw the child, she started to cry. So from now onwards, I should only take care of about yourself. I should only take care about you. So like that, she started to cry. So how she was crying means, see the last 2 second line, children. Like summer tempest came her tears. Like summer tempest came her tears. Okay, so summer tempest means, so in the summer season, if the rain was coming, so how the rain will come, so it will be very much dangerous. Okay, like in the past 3-4 weeks back, so how the rains was occurred in our city, so same like that only. In the summer also, that type of rain will come. So like that she was crying. So she was continuously, the tears are coming by seeing the child. Okay, so this is what here happening. Okay, so like summer tempest came her tears. Okay, next, sweet my child, I live for thee. Sweet my child, she was taking care about her child. Okay, if you see in the picture, you will be understanding. Okay, so I live for thee. Thee. So what is the meaning of thee means, in the old representation, thee means you. Thee means you. You. Okay, you underline the word the. So that meaning is you. Okay, so this is what the poem. Okay, so at that time she started crying, and after some time she will become very much normal. Is it right, children? Okay, so if she was not crying means, she may die, or she may go into continue particularly she may go into unconscious mind. Okay, like coma, like that. Okay, so this is what the poem, home they brought her warrior dead. Okay, so very interesting poem, children. So I think so you have understood this poem. So what will be the consequence of when a great warrior was died? Okay, in the war. Okay, so this is the consequence. Okay, this type of situations will be happening in every warrior's family, in every warrior's house. Okay, if they were died. Okay, so this is what the situation. Okay, next, after this was a poem written by you see at last line there was a poet. Okay, so Alfred Lord Tennyson. So simply we will call as A.L. Tennyson means Alfred Lord Tennyson. Okay, so this is a poet name, children. So I think so you have understood this poem very easily. Okay, so next, after completing this poem, see, children, here you are seeing some sort of glossaries, glossary means meanings. So these meanings and this poem and meanings you are supposed to write in the classwork compulsory. Okay, so in the 4th unit, after completing A reading, so in the B reading, what are the things you should write means, B reading poem you should keep the heading, and home they brought her warrior dead, poem name you should write a total in the capital letters, and afterwards you should write this total poem, children. Okay, so this total poem in one page. Okay, so after writing this poem, so the next only the glossary you should write. Okay, so the glossary, how many meanings are there? 5 meanings are there. You should write this 5 meanings. Okay, next, after completing this one, next question answers are there. you try to write this question answers. Okay, try by your own. Okay, so this is what the work I am giving to you in the today's class. Okay, so please complete this work, children, very as soon as possible, as fast as possible. Okay, so in the next class we will come up with one more interesting topic. So till then till then you please complete your works, children, class works and everything, whatever the work I have allotted to you in the previous classes also, try to complete them very fast. Okay, so with this I am concluding my class, children. Okay, so thank you for attending my class, children. Have a good day. Bye.